Hi, this is Tony with FundamentalForexBlogging.com. Today, the Fundamental Forex blog is presenting the British Preliminary Gross Domestic Product Report quarter over quarter. This report is released quarterly by the UK National Statistics Publication Hub. This video is a showing of the report released on Tuesday, January 25th, 2011. Posted on the blog www.fundamentalforexblogging.com. Here's my setup to trade the currency pair British pound against the US dollar. My market order shown here, a sell order, and behind it a buy order, then the units I am trading and my stop loss. Early on, my broker spread shown here is small, but will increase about a minute before the news release, which will be shown later in this video. Next is my plan in case there is a surprise to the market. The plan tells me which action to take if the actual report is different from the forecast by more than 0.2%, and then down here is my time. Of course, I need to get the news report as soon as possible, so I use the Forex Factory's calendar. They have an actual pending button which will give me the news report within a minute or two. By refreshing the calendar page, shown here, normally about 4 minutes before the report release, the green button will appear. With less than a minute to the news release, broker spread is increased from a few moments ago, about 35 seconds before the news release, and will increase again about 3 seconds into the news release, a big move up. I will need to wait until the broker spread returns to a normal level before entering a trade. Now is the time to get the news release. I use the Forex Factory calendar with the news release buttons, those green buttons in the calendar. Take note, the broker spread is increased, and at times it takes a few clicks of the actual report buttons to get the report. In this case, the actual report came out with the British Preliminary Gross Domestic Product Report lower than the forecast by a full 1.0%. This report was not good for the British economy, so I decided I will execute a sell to the currency pair British pound against the US dollar. The market has already spiked down about 85 pips, and the broker spread is still a little too high for a trade. There, the broker spread is decreased in the second minute of the report. If the market starts down, I will enter a sell trade. Good. The market is moving down again, and I have entered a trade. There is my stop loss line. I will refresh the calendar to to see if there is a revision of the last month's release. The market is moving well enough that I decided to enter another sell trade. Here I am closing my first trade for a small win, and I closed my second trade in the 7th minute for a very small win. After checking the other currency charts, it appears the British pound against the Swiss franc was the best currency pair to trade this time. Check out the blog post to see how the other currency pairs moved. The actual report was outside the forecast made by economists and was not in favor of the UK's economy. This was good for my plan since the market moved in the direction I thought it would. I did not start posting this news release on my blog until July 2011. This video is presented by the Fundamental Forex blog and is featured in the Forex Trading Kindle ebook series titled Forex Trade the News, What Are the Odds?, published on Amazon. I wrote a follow-up post on the blog www.fundamentalforexblogging.com. Click the link below this video to check out what happened on the 6 currency charts I monitor for this particular news release. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.